At the start, we'd like to remind you that the link to purchase the Akko Rosewood keyboard switch at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. If you're a mechanical keyboard enthusiast or a gamer looking to upgrade your setup, the Akko Rosewood switches are definitely worth considering. These switches are designed with a focus on delivering a satisfying low-pitch sound, often described as a pleasant thocky profile, which is perfect for those who enjoy a deeper auditory feedback while typing or gaming. With a full 4.0 mm travel distance and a light 40 GF actuation force, these linear switches offer smooth and consistent keystrokes without any tactile bump, making them ideal for fast-paced gaming sessions. One of the standout features of the Akko Rosewood switches is their MX-style cross-stem compatibility, which means they can easily fit most keycap sets on the market, giving you plenty of customization options. Additionally, the built-in LED slot supports SMD LEDs, allowing for vibrant backlighting effects that can make your keyboard visually striking. These switches come pre-lubricated from the factory, ensuring a silky smooth feel right out of the box, which saves time for users who prefer not to mod switches themselves. Durability is another strong point, with an impressive lifespan rated at around 60 million keystrokes, so you can expect these switches to last through intense gaming and heavy typing over many years. The package includes 45 switches neatly organized in a plastic tray, which is perfect for customizing a tenkeyless keyboard or replacing worn-out switches. On the downside, these switches do not come with a switch opener included, so if you plan to mod or customize further, you might need to purchase that separately. Also, while the thocky sound profile is a highlight for many, it may not suit users who prefer a quieter or more tactile typing experience. Lastly, the unique sound and feel might take some getting used to if you're transitioning from more common switch types. Overall, the Akko Rosewood keyboard switches are a fantastic choice for gamers and typists seeking a smooth, linear switch with a unique sound signature and solid build quality. Remember, the link to get these switches at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in upgrading your mechanical keyboard setup.